Hi guys, hey everyone. I haven't seen you a lot, really. I missed you so much and I hope you miss me. So you see on your screen that I've changed my platform. Right now I'm working on the IQ option platform, and that's why I decided to make a new video to show you how I work on it. So today I'm gonna use two indicators. They are called fractal and parabolic star. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how it works. Here we have indicators, the other, and right now I'm going to choose the first one, fractal. The color I'm going to change on purple one because I like it. And the next one will be parabolic star. The color will be blue. I'm not going to change everything. So okay, so these points, these blue points, are parabolic star, guys. These arrows design, actually, this is fractal. So fractal shows possible reversal. Parabolic star indicates current trend. Of course, we make our options with the help of the candlesticks. So the first one and the most important, we have two steps for making our option. For buy, if parabolic star is not very close to the candlestick and is on the top of it, you need to open buy. Like for example on this position, you see that parabolic star is on the top and is close to the candlestick. That is good moment to make call option. Vice versa, for example, this moment you see when parabolic star, here it is on the bottom and close to the candlestick. That is good moment to buy put option. And actually that is fractal, so I advise you when you see this sign, you may wait for one or two candles actually to make and after you can make uh your bet. So right now I'm going to make my first bet, and I'm waiting for good moments. So we see that parabolic star is on the top, and okay, $100. The candlestick is moving to the parabolic star and the direction is growing up. That's why I've decided to buy call option. And actually, guys, don't forget to click on the bell sign bottom. You subscribe on my channel, and you may see actually the latest videos that I've made for you. Don't forget about it. And actually, if you have some questions you may ask, let them on your comments. So good result, good beginning actually. $83. I continue. So I don't want to say that this is simple steps working with these two indicators. Here you have to think actually, and here you have to predict somehow. Maybe you may be confident with your own feelings. Why not? So I continue. The next bet will be $100 also, and I'm waiting. So we see right now parabolic star is on the top, the direction of the red candle is falling down. Okay, so you see that the green stick, green candle is growing up to the parabolic star. That's why I've decided to make my bet. $100, purchase time, and after there will be expiration time. So actually this is really useful for you guys, because here you have your purchase time, yep, your seconds, total investment, and expected profit. So you will know what you will have. Good, the same result. Actually, that is really good beginning. So you see how it works, guys. Remember, I'm gonna show you. So actually here, these blue points, yeah, they are parabolic star. They may be on the top and on the bottom of these candles. Actually, this parabolic star shows the direction of the trend. It's really important for you to buy the option. And this purple arrow actually is fractal indicator, and it shows possible reversal, and that's all. So remember guys, you have to buy call option in case of the this indicator parabolic star is on the top, yep, on is on the top of the candles, and the green candle is growing up, is getting closer to the parabolic star. That is good moment to buy the call option. Good moment to for buy actually put option is, let's see, I'm gonna show you. Oh, here it is. Uh, when um, when the parabolic star is at the bottom at the bottom of the candlestick, and the candlestick is falling down, the direction of the candlestick is falling down. So that is moment for you to buy put option. Okay, so we see that right now is at the bottom parabolic star, and I'm waiting for the moment. So actually, guys, you have to remember that you don't need to run anywhere. You have to stay calm, cold-blooded, and to think, of course, you have to predict somehow. For you, good moment, not only for these steps, but it also depends on your opinion, and of course on your feelings. So you see, I don't like this situation when the candle is growing up. That is not good for us when the direction of the candle is growing up, but the parabolic star is at the bottom. So I'm waiting when the candle, the direction of the candle will be falling down and will be closer, will getting closer to the parabolic star, to the blue points, and I'm going to do like this put option. Okay. I guess it was too early. Not good. Ah, guys. Okay. It happens. It happens. So right now I'm gonna make my next amount bigger, because I need to cover my loss, and it will be $250. Okay, good. 3, 2, and 1. So $207. I'm glad. I'm really glad. So always stay cold-blooded. Don't be nervous, and remember that you may cover everything, but you have to know how. After all, I go back to my initial position, $100. And move on, guys. Okay, it starts to grow up, and I'm waiting. I'm not sure. I'm waiting. Okay, so I hope so that I will get best result in this period of time. So I cross my fingers, and I hope that I've made a good decision. Okay, almost expiration time. Please, come on. Grow up. Okay, 10 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Oh my gosh. Who is the lucky today? I'm the lucky one, guys. So you see how it works. The only one thing that you have to stay cold-blooded. You don't have to run anywhere. You have to know 2 steps how and when you may make your decision. And I'm glad that you are watching my video. Thank you for your attention, and see you on the next time. Bye. Don't forget about the comment.